Right now, without your knowledge, Google has installed a 4 GB AI model on your computer. No pop-up, no permission screen, and if you try to delete it, Chrome downloads it again. Hey guys, I'm Kashif from TechFireCo, and this is real. The file is called weights.bin and it is sitting inside a folder called Opt Guide on Device Model, and it is Gemini Nano Google's on-device AI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find it, explain what Google is actually doing, and tell you how to stop it legally permanently right now. And stay with me because halfway through this video, you are going to find out something even weirder about this file. It is not even doing what Google says it is doing. Let us find this file together. If you are on Mac, open Finder, press Command, Shift and G together. Then type ~library/application support /google/chrome/opt guide on device model. See that file? weights.bin, 4 GB. Just sitting there, you never downloaded it. You never agreed to it. This was discovered by Alexander Hanf, a privacy researcher who goes by that privacy guy. He ran a brand new Chrome install on a clean Mac, watched the system logs, and caught Google doing this in real time. Chrome did not ask. Chrome did not tell you. Chrome just took 4 GB of your storage. Now you might be thinking, okay Kashif, so it is a 4 GB file. What is the big deal? Here is the big deal. Chrome has 3.6 billion users worldwide. That is a 67% market share globally. If even half of them got this push, we are talking 7,000 to 60,000 tons of CO2 from one silent file push. That is the environmental cost of one company deciding to use your computer for their AI rollout. But wait, there is something even more insane about this file, because it is not doing what you think it is doing. Let me explain. Here is where this goes from annoying to actually unacceptable. In Chrome 147, the latest version, you will notice an AI mode pill sitting right in your address bar, right next to the URL, the most visible spot in your browser. A normal person sees AI mode, sees there is a 4 GB AI model on their machine, and assumes this local AI is powering that AI mode button. Wrong. AI mode is a cloud-powered Google search feature. Your queries go to Google servers, not the local model. weights.bin file powers things like writing assistance, scam detection, autofill suggestions, not the big AI mode button that looks like it is the whole point of the download. So let me be clear, Google put a 4 GB AI model on your computer to protect your privacy because the model runs locally, not in the cloud. That is a privacy benefit, I will be honest about that. But then they also put an AI mode button that sends your queries to the cloud anyway, right next to the local model, with no explanation of which does what. It is confusing by design. Now the legal angle. This is important if you are in Europe or you care about digital rights. Researcher Hanf argues this violates the EU e-privacy directive Article 5, subsection 3, which requires prior, freely given, specific, informed, and unambiguous consent before storing anything on your device. If EU regulators agree, Google faces fines up to 4% of global revenue. That is roughly 11 billion euros. Okay, so now you know what it is and why it is problematic. Let us actually do something about it. First, do not just delete the folder manually. Multiple users tried this. Chrome re-downloads weights.bin automatically, it comes back. Here is how to actually disable it. The method 1 is open Chrome, type in URL bar Chrome, settings.ai. In the address bar, type this command, look for AI or Gemini Nano and turn it off. Chrome will stop downloading and remove the model. In my case, it was not working. So let's try method 2. In your address bar, type this Chrome flag command and press enter. Search for enables optimization guide on device. Set it to disabled. Then relaunch Chrome, and last method is switch browsers, the nuclear option. If this bothers you philosophically, Firefox and Brave do not do this. Brave is Chromium based but strips out a lot of Google's tracking infrastructure. Firefox is fully independent and privacy focused. Weights.bin is not spyware. In rural areas, 4 GB is a week's data allowance gone silently. And the re-download behavior that is designed, not a bug. Hacker News developers said it best that at what point does Chrome stop being a user agent and start being Google's agent on your machine? That is the real question. My honest verdict is disable it if you care about storage or data. Switch browsers if you want a cleaner experience. But do not panic, your computer is fine. Now you know about Gemini Nano in Chrome. If this video helped you, like this video and comment what's your thought on this. All the commands are in the description, and I will catch you in the next one.